Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make bookmarks out of origami paper. First step, you get a piece of origami paper, any color you like. It can be double-sided or it can't. Mine are just one-sided, so I'm going to flip it over to the blank side. Turn it this way, diamond-shaped. Then I'm going to fold this corner to this corner, like this. It has to be perfectly together. Then you get both corners together. Then you fold the bottom. That is a horrible noise. Then you have it folded like this. Then you open it back up. Flatten it. See the crease? This will be important later. Then you turn it to the other side. Fold this corner to this corner. Like this. Like before. Perfectly matched. And fold it down like this again. Then you'll open it up, and it should have this shape. Then you flatten it out. Then you take this corner, put it close to the center. You go like this, then fold it near the center, like that. And you go like this. Then now you got a diamond shaped. Then you do the same to the other side, to this, close to the center. Then you fold it down. Then you got this shape. Then, see this crease here that I said would be important? Then you fold it together like this. Make sure it's all lined up to the other side. Then turn it around. And you fold it down like this. Then you have this shape. Then we turn it around. See this line? Then we fold this part down like this, but near the line, like this. Near that line. And fold it down. Then you have a shape like this. Then you do the same to the other side, near the line. Like this. Then you'll have this shape. So far. Then you're going to fold these two parts in the inside of it right here. Inside this pocket. You take one side, you fold it inside, make sure it's close to this line as possible, then you fold it down. And you do the same to the other side. And put as close to the line as possible. Then it'll look like this. Then you make sure all sides are flat by folding them down once more. Then you can use tape or a sticker to close it right here. These kind of stickers are great because they're like a little bigger, or washi tape will work just as good. The tape, just all together. I decided to choose this skeleton washi tape to seal it. Then you'll hold it down like this and mash it up. You press it down like this. Then it'll look like this, all sealed. Then you can put it in your bookmark. In your book to mark it. Saying that wrong. And you don't have to leave the other side blank. You can decorate it too. So I'm going to use these as stickers. Then the bookmark will look like this when you're done with it. Then you can put it inside your book. I just grabbed one of my books off my shelves to show you how they fit into the book. You open them up like this, and it's back. You open them up like this, then slide it in. It fits the corner perfectly. Then you shut your book, and it will look like this inside. Then you take it out just by pulling it out like this. That's how you make origami bookmarks. Thank you for watching. Bye.